How to unmute Instagram stories in 2022. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply unmute your Instagram stories. So first of all, what you're going to do is open up the Instagram application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, going to go into these three dotted options in which you're going to tap on it. Then this dialog box is going to appear beneath this screen. So once you tap on mute, a new dialog box would appear stating mute story and posts. So I would simply mute the story. Once I had muted the stories, I will no longer see that specific person's stories. So to unmute those stories, simply I would go into my followings. So once I get there, I will look for that, or simply once I search it up, so the story has been vanished. I'm going to write the name of that story, so, or that person. Once I find that person, I'm going to tap on that three dotted option once again, that is just beside that following bar. Once I do that, there is this new dialog box appearing again from beneath the screen, telling us to points manage notifications. Once I go into the mute option, I see there it is, posts and stories. So they all have been unchecked. So this is what we are going to do. So once we do that, now we can receive the notifications. So I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.